I want to show you the cleaners I use for the pool. This one, chlorine, shock, had to get this, pH increaser, and bought this over 2 years ago. It's about half full, I do believe. Yeah, right about there. So this pool that we have over here is this Neck Tech. Had it for a number of years, and I think it's about 10 years old, but I had to get a new pump for it last year from Canadian Tire. I bought $97, but I have a video of that skimmer, and out there that's floating around, that has a puck in it. I made that myself. I'll bring it out and show you what it looks like. That's a noodle, piece of a noodle. Right here. Take a piece of it. But how I made this, all is, it's a little container, cap on it. There's the pot, and that's how I made it. That's glue gun sticks, so it can be raised up. There's the holes I drilled. That's off of a spray can, and I put a hole in it. And there's some holes inside I drilled. So instead of going out paying $28 for a puck holder, I made this. Twist this on, throw it back into the pool, right there. And put chlorine in the pool. I've been having problems with the pH. I had where it's odor to it, bad smell. But now, from all the treatments I put into it, I used the crystal when I first, the clear crystal one I showed you, that was a half full end to the pool. And it works okay, but the pool is clear, and the temperature as of now it's about 20 degrees, a little cool, but I don't mind getting in it, but the other ones do mind. So all in all, I got the pump, the ends, right there, goes there, and there's that one, and there's that, and that's what the ends look like. It came with this pump, but the fittings that go inside here were too small, so I had to use the original ones, and it came with the pool. But I'm waiting for it to get a little warmer so I can get in it. A little bit too cool right now, but now I'm going to sit back and record me cleaning the pool. So I use litmus strips I have, and I check the pool almost every day, but I put my hand in it and it smells nice and clear now. It doesn't have that rusty, stinky smell, and I can't wait to get a little bit warm so I get into it, even though it's a small pool. But you can sit in it and just wait in it. Yeah, and the pump, I don't know if I showed you. And the pump, I bought some sponge filters off of Walmart last year for it, and it works great. I got one in the house. The only thing is, they're blue. They turn green from the algae, from the trees. And we've got tons of trees around here. As you can see, tons of trees. But yeah, it works great. I had to put the new filter in because the other one, you can wash them, those filters. Wash the filters out. I believe I showed you a video of them. If I did, I'll put the link in the below of the filters. So anyway, that's about it. Talk to you later. Peace.